All right, let's do it. Let's do another case study, another TikTok affiliate marketing case study with high ticket affiliate marketing, like Ivan is doing. That he just made $3,500 in commission, one commission for one sale. That's how he's doing right now, and this is how he's gonna do it. I'm gonna show you exactly how he's doing it and how we all doing it, and how so many people, dozens of people, are doing the exact same thing, and how you can do it as well. But before I do that, like this video and also subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be sharing more case studies about affiliate marketing, TikTok marketing, social medias, YouTube, Instagram, and how to make money online in general, and also money mindset and motivation. So subscribe and let's get to this. I'm gonna show you right now the good stuff of how he's doing it. So he's doing this by promoting this program and by following the training of this program. This system is my number one recommended way to make money online, which you can find in the description right below, in the link in the description right there. And basically, it's a 90% done for you online system that makes regular people $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day, some cases more, like this. He is right in between, but we have dozens of people that are making more than this. So it's pretty crazy. And I highly recommend you to watch the free video right below. You will learn more about affiliate marketing and TikTok, how to use TikTok to make money with affiliate marketing and online in general. This is great training. And then it's gonna also explain to you more about this 99% down for you system. But even if you don't want to use the system, you can just use these concepts to promote anything, any product, any service, any business that you have, because it's one of the best trainings or the best training I've seen about this topic. So now I'm gonna show you how it works and how we drive traffic. So basically with TikTok, I'm gonna show you how to do this, how we go about it on a daily basis to get ideas and how to post content there that goes viral. But first I'm gonna show you how this works, okay? This is the system, okay? Affiliate marketing, this is what a successful business looks like, and a successful affiliate marketing business looks like. It's a headache if you want to do it all on your own. That's why I chose to do the 90% done for you system, because the niche is already selected, which is the make money online niche, affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and mentorship, and mindset, and marketing, digital marketing, so many. And then there's different products and services within this niche that the system offers on autopilot without us doing that. I mean, yeah, we can help, we can do reviews, and we can recommend products here and there, but the system is already following up with them with emails and calls and one-on-one consultations. And then also the system creates the bridge page or landing page for us, which that's where the people enter their email address and exchange our free training and free group and free mastermind and free everything. And then they go to our email list. So then they get their email autoresponders and email sent automatically, because the system and the team with this program creates, I have around 120 email autoresponders right now set up on my system. Every day there's adding more. And on top of that, they're email broadcasts on a daily basis with special new trainings, new promotions, new updates, news about the system, and the affiliate marketing and digital marketing, all kinds of stuff right there on a daily basis without us having to do that. But then this email list belongs to us. So you can do whatever you want to do. You can email them more if you want. I recommend you to email them as much as possible if you like, so that way you add that personal touch and with your picture and your own message there, so that way it helps you build that trust and the rapport, and you can convert more sales in the system. But basically, what we all focus on the 100% of the times is just to drive traffic, and then some people like to follow up and all that, but not necessarily. But the traffic is the most important part of this system. And I'm going to show you right now how to use TikTok to drive crazy traffic and make those type of commissions like he did, right? So I'm going to show you right now. And the system also gives us great training. It's the best training I've found, I believe, in TikTok and short form videos and social media, one-on-one coaching, a team coaching calls per week on Zoom, group coaching calls, and then also done for your research. They give us the hashtags and the pages to model after, and also what works and what not. So now let's go to TikTok to see how we're doing it on a daily basis. Simple, but you have to do it. You have to stick to it, and you need to know how to do it. So basically, we find videos on TikTok that are going viral, that are very popular, so that way we can learn what's working and then tweak it and make it our own and model after them. So basically, let's go to the Make Money Online niche, right? And here, there's so many videos that are getting millions of views and that we can just copy, or not copy, but model after them and make it our own. These are short videos. You can watch each video in a few seconds, maybe a minute, and you already have a video, a whole idea. All you have to do is just replicate it, model it, and create it really quick with your phone and add some text to it. And that's it. And you post it like that, like as much as possible every single day, as much as you can. Don't ask how often you should post. You know the answer. You should post as much as you possibly can. So look at all these viral videos. We consider a viral video if it has 100,000 views or more. That's the rule of thumb on what type of videos to model after. But honestly, with these kind of videos, all these endless amounts of viral videos, just model after videos that are getting millions of views to have a better chance of success. And you kept doing this. You kept doing this. Look at this. This is just one keyword. There's a limited amount of videos that you can just start checking and creating and modeling after, and that's it. You don't even need to talk. Look at this girl right here. $1.1 million. 1.1 million views. And she's just looking around and she has added some text that she copied from somebody else. That's that simple. That's it. This is just one keyword. I can keep going on and on and on. But let's say now affiliate marketing, right? Now, affiliate marketing is one of the other things that we do, right? Affiliate marketing, that's the main niche. That's the main training for affiliate marketing. So here's another amount, like endless amount of videos here again. It's crazy, right? This is just one keyword. So if you tell me right now, okay, let's be serious. If you're really gonna be successful and if you wanna have that successful badass lifestyle of like living remotely and all that, and you're telling me that yes, you know that you need to post content, you know that you need to communicate with people on a daily basis. That's basics, that's common sense, that's everybody's telling you. People in the past were saying cold calling because that was the only way to communicate, voice to voice, or door knocking, which wasn't leveraging. But now with social media, the more people can see you, the better, right? So that's why we're doing this. So you already know the truth, okay? You know what happens, you know what it takes to be successful. So there's no excuses. Like, you know that it takes that, and then there's like, you can tell me right now that if you want to be successful and you know what it takes to be successful, you can tell me right now that you don't know what to post, or like you have no idea about what to post. Like, come on, I just show you 2 keywords. There's here unlimited amounts of videos that you can create. You're not gonna have time to create all these videos in 2 years or 5 years. Like, there's no way. Look at all these videos. You can start creating these videos and posting them on a daily basis, like as much as possible. Start with 3 a day, then ramp it up to 10 a day. Your goal should be 10 a day. Today, I posted 5 short videos in all kinds of social networks, and this is my second YouTube long form video, and I'm planning on making more. So there's no excuse. You have to get to 10 videos a day. Like, it's crazy. The more you can put out there, the better. And now, how do you make the money though? How do you make these commissions that I was showing you right now, right? How Ivan made $3,500 for one commission. Easy, just by putting the link to this bridge page, okay, that I was showing you. This is the affiliate link where people register and they become your lead. You put that link on your profile, on your bio, on TikTok. So for example, let me give you an example. All these people are doing the same thing, so this is probably doing that. Yeah, exactly, she's doing that too. So this is not of course, this is not Ivan. This is somebody else doing something else, promoting something else. I think she's promoting her own product or something, but same concept. She has 90,000 followers, right? She's not doing anything unique, right? Nothing special. For ways to make money with the roadmap, there's nothing different here. So she puts her bio here: online wealth and digital marketing plus affiliate marketing. Start your journey. That's her call to action and the link. And that's the link where you wanna put the link. That's what we do. That's how we able to make this money. And that's how Ivan was able to make this money, because he puts the link here. So when people are following him and checking out his bio, they were like, okay, he does online stuff. Okay, let's do it. The call to action. And most of us just do free video. Click here for to watch free video or whatever call to action you're gonna do. It's up to you, but you put the link there. When people click there and they put their information to watch the free video, they become your lead, and the system follows with you. And that's how it works, and that's why I recommend it. It's pretty cool system. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen so many success stories, like not just success stories, but like crazy success stories like this on a daily basis. Like I can keep up with it. This is my 10th video making this in just like 2 or 3 days, and I just can't keep up with all the success stories. I have more that I'm planning to film, but I just don't have time to film every single case study and every success story. But I'm gonna keep up, and I'm planning on putting a bunch of success stories per video, because it's not realistic to do one video per case study with this program. It's crazy. Never seen anything like it. You should just check it out on the link right below. You can check more information right there. Watch the free video at least. It's gonna improve your skills, and it's gonna give you more clarity on how to promote things in general, not just the system. But as you can see, these people on TikTok are doing similar strategies, and they're making a lot of money promoting different things. So at least follow this training, the free video. It's gonna be amazing for your life and for your business. You will thank me later. And if you like this video, I'm gonna come up with more videos like this about affiliate marketing, about TikTok marketing, all different kinds of making money online, and motivation, money mindset, very important to be successful, and keep up to date. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.